Taking a look at my parts list, my top rear rail has a thickness of 3/4 of an inch. Currently, I am sitting at my finished width of 2 inches, my finished length of 22.5 inches, and an oversized thickness of about 1 inch. With the thickness planer, we can plane both sides, slowly bringing the machine down, measuring our board routinely until we get down to 3/4 of an inch thick. This then finishes our squaring process, and our board is 3/4 of an inch thick by 2 inches wide by 22.5 inches long. These are our final measurements for our top rear rail.